Sanibona bafethu phila lo. Namhlanje bafethu ngifuna sikhulume mayelana nokutrade kwe-forex kahle kahle. Uthi kahle, what's the whole term of trading forex? What is it that you have to know about forex? Guys, there's no such thing yokuthi ukuze ukwazi trader forex you need a thousand, you need a lot of money. I've proven that several times. You can even deposit as little as 150 and make a lot of money with 150. It is possible, guys. But then, why kuba nzima for most of you guys ukuthi nenze lento leyo? It's because of you guys anifuni ukutrader. You don't want to be patient. Anifuni uku-understand ukuthi what is it that is happening in forex. Nina, all you want to do ukuthi nenze imali just like that. And there's no such thing ku-forex. Mawenza forex kumele ube nesineke. You must know ukuthi mawuthi uyatrader wenza ini specific. Sorry. Excuse me. Mawuthi uyatrader, what is it that you are doing specific? Kunezinto okumele uzazi when you are doing forex. Guys, ngihlusha ama-sinus. Esikisini. Shuthi i-price action is the best, ne? But nevertheless, about i-price action, into ekumele niyazi ukuthi when to buy, when to sell. The only thing that you can do to know that ukuthi ufunde ukuthi forex iyini. By knowing that, it makes you outstanding. Ikwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukutrade nangemali encane because of you know what is it that is happening in forex. What is it that I'm talking about? I'm on daily time frame. Let me go to H4 and try to prove whatever that I'm saying. Flip. Okay, look at this. This is the first. That's our first arrow. Noise of nothing ngiyenzela ngapha ku tail. This is our second arrow. Our last arrow, it's when you sell. I couldn't sell this one because banks is spanning. Guys, I'm working and I'm trading at the same time. If you own my WhatsApp, you know that I am working. I work 12 hours a day. After work, I come home and trade. It's possible, guys. Believe me, it's possible. If you want to do forex successfully, you must not gamble. Mele utma trader wazi ukuthi utrader ini wenzani. Know what you are doing. That's when you are creating another source of income. Isn't it that I get paid at work? When I get home, I'm multiplying a salary when I get home. And create more source of incomes. Because if forex you are doing the whole day, if you understand what is it that is happening, let me prove what I'm saying to you guys. Look at this. Ngibonile ila, ngayibona izala, ne? Now I have to wait for the opportunity to come back here. Remember, ilona sisela on the third one. First one, second one. You know that the third one's going to sell. When are you wait here? How many days are you waiting here? How many days are you waiting? As soon as you feel like you just sell. With zero float. You just sell with zero float. You just sell with zero float. Awuluzanga next la. You can even sell only $5 and make a lot. How many days? It's more than 2 weeks here. or a week. Let's go to weekly and check. It might be 2 weeks or more. It's 2 weeks, full 2 weeks. Actually, it's not even. Yeah, it is full 2 weeks. It's 1, 2. So for 2 weeks, you have an open trade. Before 2 weeks, how many weeks you had? Before Ibuyala, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's roughly 1 month, 2 week, 1 week. You're just waiting for an opportunity. And as soon as you get that opportunity is going to pay you a lot. What is it that you have to do? Ukuthi wenze the right thing, pal. You just wait for the price to come back to where you want it to be. So for me, I chose ukuthi multitasking isipane ngitrade i-forex. So for these weeks, obozobe uwahlezi ungenzi next ulinde opportunity, bekumele receive something from work. I'm not sure if you guys understand me. So if you are working, it's an advantage for you ukuthi wenze i-forex, because as soon as uyibona, then you wait for the price to come back here. What are you going to do as soon as the price gets here? You're going to sell. Where are you going to put your TP? You're going to put your TP here. And as soon as you know where you're going to put your take profit, what do? You just put your stop loss above, you put your TP, you just go to work, you forget about the trade, you come back and check it. Phela wena into yenzako uyayimonitora, you check with the trade yenza, and that's it. That's all. Yini enzima lapho? Just that thina as black people siyazi confused. We think ukuthi whatever lesizwa ebantwini yiyo. Meanwhile, there's something that is true about forex. As you check back, it took I don't know even how many weeks or days, roughly 2 months or more, ukuthi buye back to the same spot. What do you do as soon as the price gets back to the same place where you sold it before? You sell it with zero float. Lento le isibuyisela kuphi? To what I said mangicala ngitshela ngithi mina, you can trade as little as $5. If you had even $2, you could have sold this one with $2 and make more than $2, 200 and something US. Look at this. How many pips? Holy flip. Look at that. Guys, ningazibambezeli. It's wise for you guys to learn ukuthi lento yenziwa kanjani, so that you can multitask, ungalokhu uzisokolisa. There's more. If you had to check, let me see how many minutes do I have here. I have 2 minutes remaining. Look at this. Excuse me. Let me go to daily. Look at this. As soon as you learn, you know ukuthi trading it's boring. And as it is boring, shapes. Oh, nice. You know ukuthi izochika kuphi. Yabona? I'm not going to buy it here. The reason for me yokuthi ngingabuy la, I don't have enough capital. Since I'm growing this account to prove ukuthi whatever that I'm saying, it's real. Look at this. I'm on daily. It creates a PCP here. What do you do when you see a PCP? You just wait for the price to come back to the PCP and you buy it. You buy it. What's going to happen as soon as the price gets back to the same PCP? It's going to buy, isn't it? See? Okay, fine. Forget about that. Look at this. I'm growing a small account. I'm growing a small account. See how much I have. That's my profit. This is the amount. Where is the amount? This is the balance I have. I deposited $7. If you were to check on my Facebook, you'll see what I'm talking about. I deposited $7 and I made more than that. If you were to check on my page, you'll see what I'm talking about. I made a lot of money by depositing $7. catch me on Facebook, guys.